How many times have you done something and instantly felt like crap after? You knew it was a mistake, but you still did it, and now you're stuck living with that version of you, regretting it. There's a mindset shift that could literally save your future. It's called the 10-10-10 rule, and it's stupid simple. Before making a decision, ask yourself, will this feel right in 10 minutes? Will I be okay with it in 10 months? Will I regret it in 10 years? That's it. 3 quick questions that force you to pause and think beyond your impulsive self. Because 90% of regret comes from reacting to what feels easy right now and ignoring what actually matters long term. Let me give you a few real examples. Skipping the workout today feels fine in the moment, but 10 months from now, you'll hate the body staring back at you. Staying quiet instead of chasing your dreams feels safe now, but 10 years from now, that silence will suffocate you. Most people live their lives in 10 minutes mode, but the people who win, they think in 10 years. Every decision you make today is either building your future or building your regret. You choose. So next time you're tempted to procrastinate, to quit, to settle, stop and ask, what would future me thank me for? Because your life is being built choice by choice. And if you want to make the choice that actually changes everything, then you need to watch this next video right here.